everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. Today I'm sharing 4 quick, easy, and healthy vegetarian South Indian breakfast recipes. So let's get started. First, we have puffed rice usli, which is also called as mandaki usli. First, we start off by soaking up puffed rice. 4 cups per person is the measurement. Soaking or washing it for just a minute and draining it is enough. I have chopped some onions, green chilies and tomatoes. In a pan, we'll add some oil, then add some mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Add some chana dal, then add the chopped onion, green chilies and saute it for a minute. Then add tomatoes and saute them as well. Turmeric powder, then add all the puffed rice and salt and powdered fried gram into it and mix it really well. Switch off the flame and squeeze a lemon and mix it again, and it's done. It might take 15 to 20 minutes including the prep time, so it's perfect for busy mornings and it tasted very delicious. If you have more time, it tastes amazing with mirchi bhajis or onion pakoras on those rainy days. Second dish is Pongal. It's very quick and healthy. First we wash 1 cup of rice and half cup of tur dal and 4 tablespoons of moong dal. Cook it in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. Once it's done, add water to adjust the consistency and let it heat up for a bit. On another pan, add some oil, mustard seeds, jeera, chopped garlic and 2 slit green chilies. Then add some pepper and cashew and coconut pieces and saute it for a bit. Then add the tadka to the rice and dal. Then add some salt and tablespoon of ghee and mix it really well. Comfort food, very warm and makes the kids hungry as well. So along with this we will make a tangy paste to eat with. In a pan, add some oil, jeera and 1 red chili, soak tamarind water, sambar powder, pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Heat it up for a bit and it's ready to eat. I also prepared coconut chutney along with this as my son loves it. You like it? Is it nice? Did you like chutney or this one?
Everything.
Everything?
Yes.
Thank you. Third dish is kind of a one-pot dish and it's really popular in Karnataka. It's Bisi bele. In a bowl, I'm washing 1 cup of rice, less than half a cup of toa dal. Chop all the favorite veggies, there is no restrictions for this. I'm adding carrots, beans, potato, turmeric and cook it for 3 whistles in a pressure cooker. Then in a pan, add some oil, mustard, peanuts, onions, curry leaves and soak tamarind water. Then add the cooked rice and veggies, add salt, 2 tablespoons of Bisi bele powder, which is really easily available in the supermarket, and mix it really well. Then add some water to adjust the consistency. and it is ready. You don't have to make it tadka in a separate pan. You can cook all together to save more time. It goes really well with masala bundi. We are making it work with some potato chips and banana chips. Lastly, we have Semiya. There are a couple of methods to cook Semiya. The one I'm sharing is super easy and simple, and also the one my son loves. In a pan, I am frying some Semiya. I'm taking 1.5 cup for 3 people. Then let it cool in a plate for a bit. Meanwhile, add some oil, mustard, chana dal curry leaves, green chilies, sliced onions, and saute them well. Then add ginger garlic paste, tomatoes and saute again. Then I'm adding 5 cups of water and let it boil. Once it's boiled, add some salt and slowly add the fried Semiya and cover the lid to boil. You can cook it to the consistency you like. Very warm and simple dish to make during the busy mornings. Those are the recipes I have for today. If you find this helpful, subscribe to my channel and come back every Thursday for more such videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye.